Next example, hydrolysis of simple esters. Ethyl acetate is a simple ester and undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of dilute acid to form ethyl alcohol and acetic acid, and an equilibrium is established as shown below. Ethyl acetate in presence of water and H plus ions gives ethyl alcohol and acetic acid. In the textbook there is a mistake. Ethyl acetate is given as the A, that is, it is not acetic acid, it is given as A moles of ethyl acetate. Instead of that, it is given A moles of acetic acid. Suppose at the start of the experiment, A moles of ethyl acetate. For that, in the text it is acetic acid, please do the correction. A moles of ethyl acetate and B moles of water. And this equation also, now onwards the total 4 equation. First one you already derived, the second and third, fourth you derive by yourself by listening to this audio. B moles of water are taken in a closed vessel of volume V liters. Suppose X moles of ethyl acetate reacts till equilibrium is attained. Since 1 mole of ethyl acetate reacts with 1 mole of water and to form 1 mole of ethyl alcohol and acetic acid, X moles of ethyl acetate combines with X moles of water and to form X moles of ethyl alcohol and X moles of acetic acid. Therefore, ethyl acetate plus water in presence of H plus ions, the reversible arrow, ethyl alcohol and acetic acid are formed. Initial number of moles ethyl acetate A and water is B, ethyl alcohol 0, acetic acid 0. At equilibrium, concentration of the number of moles of ethyl acetate A minus X, number of moles of water is B minus X, and ethyl alcohol is X and acetic acid is X. At equilibrium, we can write the concentration of all the 4. That is, concentration of ethyl acetate is A minus X by V, and concentration of water is B minus X by V. Concentration of ethyl alcohol is X by V. Concentration of acetic acid is X by V. Applying law of mass action and law of equilibrium, Kc is equal to concentration of ethyl alcohol into concentration of acetic acid divided by concentration of ethyl acetate into concentration of water. Substituting the concentration values, X by V into X by V divided by A minus X by V, B minus X by V, and simplifying, you should get this value. Kc is equal to X squared by A minus X into B minus X. If you get this is the equation number 3, we can consider this is as equation number 2. And the first one is equation number 1. Now, since it is a homogeneous liquid system, the term V is absent. Here it is, V is absent in the final equation. There will be no effect of changing pressure on this system. Give reason question. In ethyl acetate equilibrium constant, it has no effect on pressure. Why? There is no value of V in the final equation. An increase in the concentration of ethyl acetate will favor the formation of ethyl alcohol and acetic acid. Hence, hydrolysis of ethyl acetate remains unaffected by any change in pressure, and it is favored by the increase in the concentration of ethyl acetate. Fill in the blank question can be asked.